What's up, guys? Today it is Lainey in another one of her excellent videos. Now, today I'm going to be showing you my puppy, and she has downright talent. So comment down below if you think she's just precious, she's super cute, or if you think she's just got talents, or if you know someone who can get her famous, because that'd be awesome. Anyway, so today I'm going to be showing you what she can do. Alright, so I'll use sausages in a blanket, okay? Now, come on, dance, 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 dance. Okay, now let me get the scent all over my hands. Sorry. Yeah, you smell that, Ginger? Okay, sit, shake, shake. Good girl. Dance, dance. Lay down, lay down, lay down, Ginger, lay down. Ginger, lay down. Lay down. Lay down, Ginger, lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Yes. Anyway, comment down below if you think she's super talented or if she's just cute. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, smash that like button, comment down below, like I said, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Oh.